Welcome to the last outline for this week, and the topic is solar energy. Solar energy. Now, what is solar energy and where it is used? We're going to find out in this lesson. Our textbook page 125 to 127 and workbook page 77 to 78. Here is a YouTube link at which you can still further use to study further. Let's go to the next outline. Our learning objectives are: name the main forms of energy that come from the sun, describe how solar energy is used, and explain the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy source. Our keywords: we have solar energy, energy from the sun; heat, the form of energy that makes things hot; 3. Light, the form of energy we see; fossil fuel, the fuel created from buried remains of plant and animal. In our previous classes in the social studies, we learned about fossils. It's talking about dead plant and animal. So, renewable is energy from a source can be replaced, e.g., example, solar energy from the sun. Wave, a repeated up and down or to and fro movement that travels away from a wave source. Now, wind, the movement of air in the atmosphere. The last one is electricity, the form of energy created by the electric force between charged particles. So let's go to the next outline. So what is solar energy? What is solar energy? Solar means sun. So it is saying that it is energy from the sun. Solar means sun. So this is called energy from the sun. And the two main forms of energy that we get from solar, they are heat energy and light energy. Heat energy and light energy. Heat energy and light energy. They are the two main forms of energy that we get from solar energy. Now we have different ways we benefit from solar energy. Now here is an animal. It's absorbed heat from the sun to warm their bodies. So those are the different ways at which we benefit from solar energy. You can see they are popping up. Now another one is a solar panel on building, provide hot water for washing and eating. Now here is the solar panel. The sun, this will attract the heat. It will trap the heat from the sun, and the effect will be seen in the house. Now what about this? A solar cooker. Now this is the solar cooker. It attracts the heat from the sun and is used to cook this. It eats the food. Now solar cell generates electricity from sunlight. Now this is the solar cell. This is the solar panel. This generates the heat and it is used to move this boat. Alright. Now fossil fuel, coal, oil and gas, they store the solar energy trapped by plants millions of years ago. So if you remember in our lesson, plants get its food, manufacture its food from sunlight. So when they get this from sunlight, even when they are dead, it's still there. And plants get it there. Animals, they eat plants, also getting what their energy from the plant. So here is another one. The plants trap the energy of sunlight in their leaves, creating food for animals and releasing oxygen into the air. That was what I first explained earlier. Now let's go to the next outline. The wind and waves. The wind and waves. So heat from the sun creates wind as hot air rises and cooler air rushes in to take its place. So we can use the energy of the wind to sail boats and turn windmills to generate electricity. If you have been to the beach or to the ocean, you will see some big ship, and you will see some ship, they call it sailing boats. A wind is used to sail a sailing boat. So wind blowing over the sea creates waves, like we did in our previous lesson, the wave on the sea. Alright, so we can use wave energy to generate electricity. We have some activities there in which you can practice. Trust me, you're going to have more insight about solar energy. So now let's go to renewable energy. What is renewable energy? The sun will shine for million years as long as we are alive. So we can count on it as an energy source. We've said that earlier, our main source of energy is from the sun. So for this reason, we talk about most forms of energy that come from the sun as renewable source. So renewable means something that can be replaced, replenished. So like solar panels, solar cells, wind and wave generator are sources of renewable energy. Now let's go to non-renewable. Non-renewable means you cannot see them again. When you use it, they are gone. But renewable is you can still see them. They can still come back. Alright? But non-renewable, it means that you cannot see them when it is being used. Okay? The fossil fuel, coal, oil and gas are non-renewable. Can you see that? Once we have used up the earth reserve of these fuels, they will be gone forever. If you use gas in the kitchen, when you use it to cook your food, it's gone. Alright? The oil in the car, when you use it, it's gone. So here is an activity that you can practice at home. Trust me, it's going to be fun. Like making a solar cooker, like trapping it from the sun. Okay, it's just an activity. Trust me, it's going to be fun. So this is what you're going to need: an old tire, a sheet of glass, a dish of water, and a thermometer. It's just to test the temperature, to check the temperature after it has been trapped inside the water. So what happens is that heat from the sun passes through the glass and heats the air, water, and ground. So the heat from the sun passes through this glass and makes everything around to be hot. So the glass helps to trap the heat inside. So just try that at home and make sure you are safe when trying that. And here is another activity too. It's fun when you can try it at home. Making a solar water heater. All you need is this hose, a rubber hose, then a two cork. It's like a cork, it's a cover, a funnel, and water. So all you need to just do is follow this instruction, and you see, is the water hot? You do it after some time. You check if it is hot or if it is cold. So heat energy from the sun, it heats the hose and the water inside. So the heat energy from the sun, it changes the temperature of the water. Alright, changes the temperature of the water. So here is what you're going to do. What you have learned, you have the keywords at which you fill in the blanks. Everything is inside the books and workbook page 77 to 78. Here is an activity. I'm going to attach it on Class Dojo. I'm going to be attaching so many activities on Class Dojo. You can print out and work on them. So here is the workbook. Right, you have number 1, number 2, and number 3. So number 1, you're going to find 7 forms of energy here in this word search. Here is wind, here is gas, here is heat. You can see so many of them. Light, wood. So look for them. All right. And number 2, you're going to circle. You put circle around which solar energy is being used. Now, where is the solar? This is solar. This is the sun. So where is used in the picture? Look at the top of this roof. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the plant and this. All right. Those are the places it's being used in the picture. Now, question 3. It's an experiment. All right. A pupil investigates a simple solar cooker design made from an old car tire and glass. Now, this is the old car tire and this is a glass. So she put a container of water in a tire covered with glass and another not covered. So they want to see, she put both arrangements in the same sunny place and record the temperature of the water in each container. They want to see which one is going to be hotter. All right. So they're using the same thing. The only thing that is different is the glass, a sheet of glass that is placed here. Now, the one placed with glass is the thick line, and the thin line is one without a glass. Now, look at the graph. After the experiment, this is the graph. Now, the one with the thick line is the one with glass. You can see the temperature. The highest temperature is like 74 or thereabout. All right. And the thin one is without a glass. Can you see? And the highest temperature is like maybe 48 or thereabout. So you will use this graph to answer the question. So what was the highest temperature reached in the cooker with a glass cover? Now, this is the cooker with a glass cover, and this is the one without glass. Now, which cooker trapped more heat from the sun? Is it the one with the glass cover or without? All you need to do is check out. Now, complete the textbook and workbook. You can also do some extra research using your internet. All right. Any doubt, any question, get back to me. I will be of help. Thank you.